Is it open? Oh, it's actually on that side. I was thinking I was gonna sit on that side, but I forgot.
The exhaust might.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it like more up here.
Oh, okay.
It might catch all the wind down there, so that's why I didn't want to put it down there. I think it should be. So for this, just try to do like gradual pulls, you know, second to third to fourth. I'm gonna get like some shifting and then kind of some driving and stuff like that. Yeah. So, okay, cool, ready? Yep. We just make our way down that way. Okay. Okay, we'll just follow you then. You be in front of us. Got it. just sent him to go do like a lap or two so I could get some flybys. God damn it, a fucking car really comes right now, bruh. Wow. You actually want to turn it around. I'm gonna get some like shots here of it parked. I'm gonna have you walk again and then get in the car. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and ready? Okay, just wait there for a sec. FX3, RS2, 2040-70 Sigma. Easy go-to setup. Got that versatility, that quality. I guess same turnout, you were over there and then just come back here, back and forth. If you're ready, go on down. Okay, I still have control, still recording. Dual operator FPV drone, test 1.
Telemetry lost.
It cut. Yeah.
RF signal
Okay.
critical. Telemetry
Got it, keep going. That's good. A little higher, a little higher.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Yeah, it's like cutting in and out. All right there, okay, keep it there. That's good, that's good. That's good. Keep that pace. You're good, you're good.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Okay, you can start making your way back. All right, this is test number 2.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. RF signal low. Telemetry
It's cutting
recovered.
off. Yeah. The signal's like in and out. That's good though, right there, right there. Yeah, slow down a bit. Yeah, you can start coming back. All right, test number 3. It's good, it's good, it's good. Yeah, come back, come back. That's good. You could get a little closer.
Hey, there's a fly on my arm.
So you want to slow down a little bit? All right, come back.